Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Earlier this morning, I helped somebody, I think I did anyway, how to set their dotted or dash lines and some more information. Then somebody asked, could it be done for a font? Could you outline a font? Of course, you can. Just a couple things you have to do, and I'm using Epilogue, and I'm a big Epilogue fan, but better than any other word I can think of because it's got a bunch of different kinds of letters. So I'm going to left click the font and right click the font. Now I've got an outline, but you can't just do that. So you go to Object and break Epilogue apart and then grab it all, go up to Object and convert them to a curve. And so they're not a font anymore. So we can go to our pen tool and let's just move this down so we can see it. And we can make them half or a quarter of an inch. And then we can make them I made a new line this morning. I think this is it right here. And then also in this morning's video, we went to here to make the corners even. Now the O's, you know, it would be better to pick another dash line than the one I used this morning. If you know, something like that, you know, that's some dot and dashes. And if you don't like one, you can see that one showed you how to do it. But so yes, you can make a font dotted or dash lines. And this is pretty cool because this is pretty readable. And there's, you know, nothing there. It's all spaces. You know, there's no hidden lines. We could fill it in with yellow. And if you were going to engrave that, only the dots or dashes would actually engrave. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.